Just to bring this, just to put this news in context for our viewers, I request you to please give us the sequence of events once again. What happened? We are talking about Kangana Ranawat at the Chandigarh Airport Lounge. What happened? How did it start?
Well, what we are given to understand is, Pranesh, that she was waiting at Chandigarh Airport Lounge, and in fact, she was sitting there waiting for her flight. And all of a sudden, this female CISF Jawan, who was deployed inside the airport at airport lounge only, she just came close to Kangana and in fact slapped her. And after that, she raised the point that this is the action against her statements against the farmers and the farmer agitation, the kind of statement she has given. And even immediately after that, the security has intervened into that, and that CISF Jawan has been taken into custody, and CEO of airport has also reached at the spot and inquired the event. So now the proceedings are underway, and in fact the action has not been revealed by the airport authorities, that what kind of action has been taken by the airport authorities against the CISF Jawan for her offensive action for no reason. So this is how the entire incident has been unfolded. Just because, Pranesh, this reported inside the airport, so very limited piece of information is coming out, and this is what we are giving with the confirmation of the CEO that this incident reported inside the airport. So now airport authorities are taking the action against the CISF Jawan. Yes, Pranesh.
There are CCTV cameras, and the full sequence of events will be ascertained after that. But on let's quickly describe the video on the left side of your screen. This is, we are being told, the video of moments after the alleged slapgate. You can see the altercation, Kangana Ranawat in a purple sari there, trying to argue with the CISF officials as well as other people there around her. Can't identify anyone prominent in that frame, but Amandeep is telling us that this video is just shortly, moments after this alleged slapgate, and now that authorities are seized of the matter, and it will be investigated, and let's see what comes of it.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.